Hi, my name is Ike, and today Bountiful Gardens is back out in the field, helping the meeting house in Princeton beautify their front steps for the holidays. This is one of my favorite places to eat, so I'm really excited. Let's go. For the entrance, I really wanted to highlight this beautiful lush boxwood, so I'm giving it a dramatic background of white branches to really help it stand out. Next, I'm going to start building up a foundation of fresh greens. One of my favorite fillers to use this time of year is going to be magnolia because you get this beautiful gloss on the top of the leaf and then the contrast of the deep brown underneath. Really adds some interest to your planters. Now that the greens are all nicely layered, I'm going to bring some of these white branches forward to make the look more cohesive. Now for a burst of color, we're going to add some bright red winter berries. And finally, these giant sugar pine cones really help to sell the holiday look. This place has a ton of planters, so now that we have the entrance ones done, we can get to work on all the others, making sure they match the overall look while still being unique between each one. If you've watched our other container planting videos, this kind of follows the same concepts of having thriller, filler, and spiller to really catch your eye no matter where on the planter you're looking. There you have it. Our planters are beautiful and ready for the holiday season, and they of course look bountiful. These will greet customers when they walk in and let them know the holiday magic is here. If you want your own holiday porch package just like this, we offer plenty of them. You can go online to bountifulgardens.com and reach out to us. And of course, if you like this video, be sure to like it down below, leave a comment if you had any questions or suggestions for videos in the future. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get all the Bountiful updates. Thanks, and happy holidays.